राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतं दीपावली महोत्सवस्य शुभाशयाः. Welcome to class number 34 of learning to chant Sriman Narayan. We'll start with the Dhyana Shlokas. I think there will be a lot of background sound today with the crackers. So I will begin. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो श्रीकान्तो मातुलो यस्य जननी सर्वमङ्गला जनकः शङ्करो देवः तं वन्दे कुञ्जराननं पीताम्बरं करविराजितशङ्खचक्रकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायमतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि. We'll start the revision of 17th Dashakam. Spurti, you can begin.
Am I audible? उत्तानपादनृपतेर्मनुनन्दनस्य जाया बभूव सुरुचिर्नितरामभीष्टा अन्यासुनीतिरिति भर्तुरनादृता सा त्वामेव नित्यमगतिः शरणं गता भूत्. अंके पितुः सुरुचिपुत्रकमुत्तमन्तं दृष्ट्वा ध्रुवः किल सुनीतिसुतोऽधिरोक्ष्यन् आचिक्षिपे किल शिशुः सुतरां सुरुच्या दुःसन्त्यजा खलु भवद्विमुखैरसूया त्वन्मोहिते पितरि पश्यति दारवश्ये दूरं दुरुक्ति निहतः स गतो निजाम्बां सापि स्वकर्म गतिसन्तरणाय पुंसां त्वत्पादमेव शरणं शिशवे शशंस. आकर्ण्यसोऽपि भवदर्चन निश्चितात्मा मानी निरेत्य नगरात् किल पञ्चवर्षः सन्दृष्टनारद निवेदितमन्त्रमार्गः स्वामारराध तपसा मधुकाननान्ते ताते विषण्ण हृदये नगरीङ्गतेन श्रीनारदेन परिसान्त्वितचित्तवृत्तौ बालस्त्वदर्पितमनाः क्रमवर्धितेन निन्ये कठोर तपसा किल पञ्चमासान् तावत्तपोबलनिरुच्छ्वसिते दिगन्ते देवार्थितस्त्वमुदय करुणार्द्रचेताः त्वद्रूपछिद्रसनिलीनमतेः पुरस्तात् आविर्बभूविथ विभो गरुडाधिरूढः त्वद्दर्शनप्रमदभारतरङ्गितन्तं दृग्भ्यां निमग्नमिव रूपरसायनेते तुष्टूषमाणमवगम्य कपोलदेशे संस्पृष्टवानसि दरेण तथा दरेण तावद्विबोध विमलं प्रणुवन्तमेनम् आभाषथास्त्वमवगम्य तदीयभावम् राज्यं चिरं समनुभूय भजस्व भूयः सर्वोत्तरं ध्रुवपदं विनिवृत्तिहीनम् सर्वोत्तरं ध्रुवपदं विनिवृत्तिहीनम्. इत्यूचिषित्त्वयि गते नृपनन्दनोऽसौ आनन्दिताखिलजनो नगरीमुपेतः रेमे चिरं भवदनुग्रहपूर्णकामः ताते गते च वनमादृतराज्यभारः यक्षेण देव निहते पुनरुत्तमेऽस्मिन् यक्षैः स युद्धनिरतो विरतो मनुज्ञा शान्त्या प्रसन्नहृदयाद्धनदादुपेतात् त्वद्भक्तिमेव सुदृढामवृणोन्महात्मा अन्ते भवत्पुरुषनीतविमानयातः मात्रा समं ध्रुवपदे मुदितो यमास्ते एवं स्वभृत्य जनपालनलोलधीस्त्वं वातालयाधिपनिरुन्धि ममामयौघान् इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये ध्रुवचरितन्नाम सप्तदशं दशकं समाप्तम् नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते।
I will recite the 18th Dashakam, the first 4 shlokas now. Last time, due to the time zone and daylight savings, I think few people had missed out on the first 4. I'll recite the first 4 slowly, then we will move on to 5th shloka, the new shloka today. अथाष्टादशं दशकं जातस्य ध्रुवकुल एव तुङ्गकीर्तेः अङ्गस्य व्यजनिसुतः सवेन नामा यद्दोषव्यथितमतिः स राजवर्यः त्वत्पादे निहितमनावनङ्गतोऽभूत् पापोऽपि क्षितितलपालनाय वेनः पौराद्यैरुपनिहितः कठोरवीर्यः सर्वेभ्यो निजबलमेव सम्प्रशंसन् भूचक्रे तव यजनान्ययन्यरौत्सीत् सम्प्राप्ते हितकथनाय तापसौघे मत्तोऽन्यो भुवनपतिर्न कश्चनेति त्वन्निन्दावचनपरो मुनीश्वरैस्तैः शापाग्नौ शलभदशामनायिवेनः तन्नाशात् खलजनभीरुकैर्मुनीन्द्रैः तन्मात्रा चिरपरिरक्षिते तदङ्गे त्यक्ताघे परिमथिता दथोरुदण्डात् दोर्दण्डे परिमथिते त्वमाविरासीः. The third and fourth line here are a little difficult to pronounce. You can refer to the previous video where I taught it pada by pada and then revise that multiple times. That word is a little difficult. You will surely get it as we practice. Okay, we will move on to shloka number 5. Arjun, you can repeat after me. Shloka number 5. Good. विख्यातः
विख्यातः विख्यातः
पृथुरिति
पृथुरिति पृथुरिति
तापस
तापस तापस
उपदिष्टैः
उपदिष्टैः उपदिष्टैः
सूताद्यैः
सूताद्यैः सूताद्यैः
परिणुत
परिणुत परिणुत
भावि
भावि भावि
भूरिवीर्यः
भूरिवीर्यः भूरिवीर्यः
वेनार्त्या
वेनार्त्या वेनार्त्या
कबलित
कबलित कबलित
संपदं
सम्पदं सम्पदं
धरित्रीम्
धरित्रीं धरित्रीम्
आक्रान्ताम्
आक्रान्ताम् आक्रान्ताम्
निजधनुषा
निजधनुषा निजधनुषा
समामकार्षीः
समामकार्षीः समामकार्षीः
विख्यातः
विख्यातः विख्यातः
पृथुरिति
पृथुरिति पृथुरिति
तापसोपदिष्टैः
तापसोपदिष्टैः तापसोपदिष्टैः
सूताद्यैः
सूताद्यैः सूताद्यैः
इणुत
परिणुत परिणुत
भावि भूरिवीर्यः
भावि भूरिवीर्यः भावि भूरिवीर्यः
वेनार्त्या
वेनार्त्या वेनार्त्या
कबलितसम्पदम्
कबलितसम्पदम् कबलितसम्पदम्
धरित्रीम्
धरित्रीं धरित्रीम्
आक्रान्ताम्
आक्रान्ताम् आक्रान्ताम्
निजधनुषा
निजधनुषा निजधनुषा
समामकार्षीः
समामकार्षीः समामकार्षीः
विख्यातः पृथुरिति
विख्यातः पृथुरिति विख्यातः पृथुरिति
तापसोपदिष्टैः
तापसोपदिष्टैः तापसोपदिष्टैः
विख्यातः पृथुरिति तापसोपदिष्टैः
विख्यातः पृथुरिति तापसोपदिष्टैः विख्यातः पृथुरिति तापसोपदिष्टैः
सूताद्यैः परिणुत
सूताद्यैः परिणुत सूताद्यैः परिणुत
भावि भूरिवीर्यः
भावि भूरिवीर्यः भावि भूरिवीर्यः
सूताद्यैः परिणुत भावि भूरिवीर्यः
सूताद्यैः परिणुत भावि भूरिवीर्यः सूताद्यैः परिणुत भावि भूरिवीर्यः
वेनार्त्या कबलित
वेनार्त्या कबलित वेनार्त्या कबलित
सम्पदम् धरित्रीम्
सम्पदं धरित्रीं सम्पदं धरित्रीम्
वेनार्त्या कबलित सम्पदम् धरित्रीम्
वेनार्त्या कबलित सम्पदं धरित्रीं वेनार्त्या कबलित सम्पदं धरित्रीम्
आक्रान्ताम्
आक्रान्ताम् आक्रान्ताम्
निजधनुषा समामकार्षीः
निजधनुषा समाकमर्षीः निजधनुषा समा sorry,
रिपीट
निजधनुषा समामकार्षीः निजधनुषा समामकार्षीः
आक्रान्तान् निजधनुषा समामकार्षीः
आक्रान्तां निजधनुषा समामकार्षीः आक्रान्तां निजधनुषा समामकार्षीः विख्यातः पृथुरिति तापसो.
This last line, this akrantam should have an anuswara. This makara with halanta is not the very right way of writing, though it is not completely wrong also. It should be an anuswara. I will change it. It's not a huge mistake, nothing wrong. Tell the whole shloka, Arjun.
विख्यातः पृथुरिति तापसोपदिष्टैः सूताद्यैः परिणुतभाविभूरिवीर्यः वेनार्त्या कबलितसम्पदं धरित्रीम् आक्रान्तां निजधनुषा समामकार्षीः.
Prithvi, you can repeat after me.
राम राम राम
भूयस्ताम्
भूयस्तां भूयस्तां.
The pitch is too high for you. Nijakula
निजकुल निजकुल
मुख्यवत्स
मुख्यवत्स मुख्यवत्स
युक्तैः
युक्तैः युक्तैः
देवाद्यैः
देवाद्यैः देवाद्यैः
समुचित
समुचित समुचित
चारुभाजनेषु
चारुभाजनेषु चारुभाजनेषु
अन्नादीनि
अन्नादीनि अन्नादीनि
अभिलषितानि
अभिलषितानि अभिलषितानि
यानि तानि
यानि तानि यानि तानि
स्वच्छन्दम्
स्वच्छन्दं स्वच्छन्दं
सुरभितनूम्
सुरभितनूं सुरभितनूं
अदूदुहस्त्वम्
अदूदुहस्त्वम् अदूदुहस्त्वम्
भूयस्ताम्
भूयस्तां भूयस्तां
निजकुलमुख्य
निजकुलमुख्य निजकुलमुख्य
वत्सयुक्तैः
वत्सयुक्तैः वत्सयुक्तैः
देवाद्यैः
देवाद्यैः देवाद्यैः
समुचितचारु
समुचितचारु समुचितचारु
भाजनेषु
भाजनेषु भाजनेषु
अन्नादीनि
अन्नादीनि अन्नादीनि
अभिलषितानि
अभिलषितानि अभिलषितानि
यानि तानि
यानि तानि यानि तानि
स्वच्छन्दं
स्वच्छन्दं स्वच्छन्दं
सुरभितनूं
सुरभितनूं सुरभितनूं
अदूदुहस्त्वम्
अदूदुहस्त्वम् अदूदुहस्त्वम्
भूयस्तान्निजकुल
भूयस्तान्निजकुल भूयस्तान्निजकुल
मुख्यवत्सयुक्तैः
मुख्यवत्सयुक्तैः मुख्यवत्सयुक्तैः
भूयस्तान्निजकुलमुख्यवत्सयुक्तैः
भूयस्तान्निजकुलमुख्यवत्सयुक्तैः भूयस्तान्निजकुलमुख्यवत्सयुक्तैः
देवाद्यैः समुचित
देवाद्यैः समुचित देवाद्यैः समुचित
चारुभाजनेषु
चारुभाजनेषु चारुभाजनेषु
देवाद्यैः समुचितचारुभाजनेषु
देवाद्यैः समुचितचारुभाजनेषु देवाद्यैः समुचितचारुभाजनेषु
अन्नादीन्यभिलषितानि
अन्नादीन्यभिलषितानि अन्नादीन्यभिलषितानि
यानि तानि
यानि तानि यानि तानि
अन्नादीन्यभिलषितानि यानि तानि
अन्नादीन्यभिलषितानि यानि तानि अन्नादीन्यभिलषितानि यानि तानि
स्वच्छन्दं सुरभितनूं
स्वच्छन्दं सुरभितनूं स्वच्छन्दं सुरभितनूं
अदूदुहस्त्वम्
अदूदुहस्त्वम् अदूदुहस्त्वम्
स्वच्छन्दं सुरभितनूमदूदुहस्त्वम्
स्वच्छन्दं सुरभितनूमदूदुहस्त्वम् स्वच्छन्दं सुरभितनूमदूदुहस्त्वम् भूयस्तान्निजकुलमुख्यवत्सयुक्तैः देवाद्यैः समुचितचारुभाजनेषु अन्नादीन्यभिलषितानि यानि तानि स्वच्छन्दं सुरभितनूमदूदुहस्त्वम्
We'll move on to shloka number 7. Spurti, you can repeat after. आत्मानम्
आत्मानम् आत्मानम्
यजति मखैः
यजति मखैः यजति मखैः
त्वयि
त्वयि त्वयि
त्रिधामन्
त्रिधामन् त्रिधामन्
आरब्धे
आरब्धे आरब्धे
शततम
शततम शततम
वाजिमेध
वाजिमेध वाजिमेध
यागे
यागे यागे
स्पर्धालुः
स्पर्धालुः स्पर्धालुः
शतमखः
शतमखः शतमखः
एत्य
एत्य एत्य
नीचवेषः
नीचवेषः नीचवेषः
धृत्वाश्वं
हृत्वाश्वं हृत्वाश्वं
तव तनयात्
तव तनयात् तव तनयात्
पराजितोऽभूत्
पराजितोऽभूत् पराजितोऽभूत्
आत्मानं यजति
आत्मानं यजति आत्मानं यजति
मखैस्त्वयि
मखैस्त्वयि मखैस्त्वयि
त्रिधामन्
त्रिधामन् त्रिधामन्
आरब्धे
आरब्धे आरब्धे
शततम
शततम शततम
वाजिमेधयागे
वाजिमेधयागे वाजिमेधयागे
स्पर्धालुः
स्पर्धालुः स्पर्धालुः
शतमख एत्य
शतमखयेत्य शतमखयेत्य
नीचवेषः
नीचवेषः नीचवेषः
हृत्वाश्वं
हृत्वाश्वं हृत्वाश्वं
तव तनयात्
तव तनयात् तव तनयात्
पराजितोऽभूत्
पराजितोऽभूत् पराजितोऽभूत्
आत्मानं यजति
आत्मानं यजति आत्मानं यजति
मखैस्त्वयि त्रिधामन्
मखैस्त्वयि त्रिधानं मखैस्त्वयि त्रिधानं
not tridhanam tridhaman repeat twice
मखैस्त्वयि त्रिधामन् मखैस्त्वयि त्रिधामन्
आत्मानं यजति मखैस्त्वयि त्रिधामन्
आत्मानं यजति मखैस्त्वयि त्रिधामन् आत्मानं यजति मखैस्त्वयि त्रिधामन्
आरब्धे शततम
आरब्धे शततम आरब्धे शततम
वाजिमेधयागे
वाजिमेधयागे वाजिमेधयागे
आरब्धे शततम वाजिमेधयागे
आरब्धे शततम वाजिमेधयागे आरब्धे शततम वाजिमेधयागे
स्पर्धालुः शतमखः
स्पर्धालुः शतमखः स्पर्धालुः शतमखः
एत्यनीचवेषः
एत्यनीचवेषः एत्यनीचवेषः
sometimes for etya you are telling etya that difference. I hope you understand. Where is the pen here? I think I'll take this pen. See the difference between ye and a. One is you have to say ya and a, so that is ye. The other is A, which comes only from your kantha and talu. The tongue doesn't touch anywhere. Okay. A, you would say that without any this thing. So, etyani cha veshaha.
एत्यनी च वेषः एत्यनी च वेषः
स्पर्धालुष्यतमख एत्यनी च वेषः
स्पर्धालुष्यतमख एत्यनी च वेषः स्पर्धालुष्यतमख एत्यनी च वेषः
हृत्वाश्वन्तवतनयात्
हृत्वाश्वन्तवतनयात् हृत्वाश्वन्तवतनयात्
पराजितो भूत्
पराजितो भूत् पराजितो भूत्
हृत्वाश्वन्तवतनयात् पराजितो भूत्
हृत्वाश्वन्तवतनयात् पराजितो भूत् हृत्वाश्वन्तवतनयात् पराजितो भूत् आत्मानैयजति मखैस्त्वयित्रिधामन् आरब्धे शततमवाजिमेधयागे स्पर्धालुष्यतमख एत्यनी च वेषः हृत्वाश्वन्तवतनयात् पराजितो भूत्
If you have any questions, you can type in the chat box. We will not have any question session in the end. So, because of Deepavali, we will try to end it early. Arjun, you can unmute yourself now. Shloka number 8, Arjuna. Devendram.
देवेन्द्रं देवेन्द्रं
Muhuriti.
मुहुरिति मुहुरिति
Vajinam.
वाजिनं वाजिनं
Harantam.
हरन्तं हरन्तं
Vanhautam.
वह्नौतं वह्नौतं
Munivara.
मुनिवर मुनिवर
Mandale.
मण्डले मण्डले
Juhushau.
जुहूषौ जुहूषौ
Rundhane.
रुन्धाने रुन्धाने
Kamalabhave.
कमलभवे कमलभवे
Kratos samaptau.
क्रतोः समाप्तौ क्रतोः समाप्तौ
Okay, you can split it as kratoho samaptau. It's okay, I told it together later. Anyway, we are going to tell it together. Sakshatvam.
साक्षात्वं साक्षात्वं
Madhuripum.
मधुरिपुं मधुरिपुं
Aikshathaah.
ऐक्षथाः ऐक्षथाः
Swayam swam.
स्वयं स्वं स्वयं स्वं
Devendram.
देवेन्द्रं देवेन्द्रं
Muhuriti.
मुहुरिति मुहुरिति
Vajinam harantam.
वाजिनं हरन्तं वाजिनं हरन्तं
वह्नौतं
वह्नौतं वह्नौतं
मुनिवरमण्डले
मुनिवरमण्डले मुनिवरमण्डले
जुहूषौ
जुहूषौ जुहूषौ
रुन्धाने
रुन्धाने रुन्धाने
कमलभवे क्रतोः
कमलभवे क्रतोः कमलभवे क्रतोः
don't split it like kamalabhave kratoho. There you have to give an ik there, like as if there is an extra ka present. Kamalabhave kratoho.
कमलभवे क्रतोः कमलभवे क्रतोः
It should not be too hard also, but it is there. So by that pronunciation, it is because whenever that samyukta akshara comes, ka and ra are samyukta there. So the previous letter we tell it like it is double there. That's how it happens in all samyukta aksharas. And when, especially when the two words are separated, that's when by mistake most of us give a stop and then tell. But when you're telling together, we should tell it like there is a double akshara there. When it comes in between, we ourselves will give the doubleness. But when it comes at the end, we don't. For example, see this last word, samaptau.
समाप्तौ समाप्तौ
There upta is a samyukta akshara, but samaptau, we don't say samaptau. We give it that extra pause, but we don't get to know that. When the words are separated, we understand that. Sakshatvam
साक्षात्वं साक्षात्वं
madhuripomaikshathaah
मधुरिपुमेक्षथाः मधुरिपुमेक्षथाः
swayam svam
स्वयं स्वं स्वयं स्वं
devendram muhuriti
देवेन्द्रं मुहुरिति देवेन्द्रं मुहुरिति
vajinam harantam
वाजिनं हरन्तं वाजिनं हरन्तं
devendram muhuriti vajinam harantam
देवेन्द्रं मुहुरिति वाजिनं हरन्तं देवेन्द्रं मुहुरिति वाजिनं हरन्तं
vanhautam
वह्नौतं वह्नौतं
मुनिवरमण्डले जुहूषौ
मुनिवरमण्डले जुहूषौ मुनिवरमण्डले जुहूषौ
वह्नौतं मुनिवरमण्डले जुहूषौ
वह्नौतं मुनिवरमण्डले जुहूषौ वह्नौतं मुनिवरमण्डले जुहूषौ
रुन्धाने कमलभवे
रुन्धाने कमलभवे रुन्धाने कमलभवे
क्रतोः समाप्तौ
क्रतोः समाप्तौ क्रतोः समाप्तौ
रुन्धाने कमलभवे क्रतोः समाप्तौ
रुन्धाने कमलभवे क्रतोः समाप्तौ रुन्धाने कमलभवे क्रतोः समाप्तौ
साक्षात् त्वं मधुरिपुम्
साक्षात्त्वं मधुरिपुं साक्षात्त्वं मधुरिपुम्
ऐक्षथा स्वयं स्वम्
ऐक्षथा स्वयं स्वम् ऐक्षथा स्वयं स्वम्
साक्षात् त्वं मधुरिपुमैक्षथा स्वयं स्वम्
साक्षात् त्वं मधुरिपुमैक्षथा स्वयं स्वम् साक्षात् त्वं मधुरिपुमैक्षथा स्वयं स्वम्
फुल श्लोक
देवेन्द्रं मुहुरिति वाजिनं हरन्तं वह्नौ तं मुनिवरमण्डले जुहूषौ रुन्धाने कमलभविक्रतोः समाप्तौ साक्षात् त्वं मधुरिपुमैक्षथा स्वयं स्वम्
गुड श्लोका नंबर 9 पृथ्वी यू कैन रिपीट आफ्टर तद्दत्तं
तद्दत्तं तद्दत्तं
वरमुपलभ्य
वरमुपलभ्य वरमुपलभ्य
भक्तिमेकां
भक्तिमेकां भक्तिमेकां
गंगान्ते
गंगान्ते गंगान्ते
विहितपदः
विहितपदः विहितपदः
कदापि देव
कदापि देव कदापि देव
सत्रस्थं
सत्रस्थं सत्रस्थं
मुनिनिवहं
मुनिनिवहं मुनिनिवहं
हितानि
हितानि हितानि
शंसन्
शंसन् शंसन्
ऐक्षिष्ठाः
ऐक्षिष्ठाः ऐक्षिष्ठाः
सनकमुखान्
सनकमुखान् सनकमुखान्
मुनीन्
मुनीन् मुनीन्
पुरस्तात्
पुरस्तात् पुरस्तात्
तद्दत्तं वरं
तद्दत्तं वरं तद्दत्तं वरम्
उपलभ्य
उपलभ्य उपलभ्य
भक्तिमेकां
भक्तिमेकां भक्तिमेकां
गंगान्ते
गंगान्ते गंगान्ते
विहितपदः
विहितपदः विहितपदः
कदापि देव
कदापि देव कदापि देव
सत्रस्थं
सत्रस्थं सत्रस्थं
मुनिनिवहं
मुनिनिवहं मुनिनिवहं
हितानि शंसन्
हितानि शंसन् हितानि शंसन्
ऐक्षिष्ठाः
ऐक्षिष्ठाः ऐक्षिष्ठाः
सनकमुखान्
सनकमुखान् सनकमुखान्
मुनीन् पुरस्तात्
मुनीन् पुरस्तात् मुनीन् पुरस्तात्
तद्दत्तं वरमुपलभ्य
तद्दत्तं वरमुपलभ्य तद्दत्तं वरमुपलभ्य
भक्तिमेकाम्
भक्तिमेकाम् भक्तिमेकाम्
तद्दत्तं वरमुपलभ्य भक्तिमेकाम्
तद्दत्तं वरमुपलभ्य भक्तिमेकाम् तद्दत्तं वरमुपलभ्य भक्तिमेकाम्
गंगान्ते विहितपदः
गंगान्ते विहितपदः गंगान्ते विहितपदः
कदापि देव
कदापि देव कदापि देव
गंगान्ते विहितपदः कदापि देव
गंगान्ते विहितपदः कदापि देव गंगान्ते विहितपदः कदापि देव
सत्रस्थं मुनिनिवहम्
सत्रस्थं मुनिनिवहम् सत्रस्थं मुनिनिवहम्
हितानि शंसन्
हितानि शंसन् हितानि शंसन्
सत्रस्थं मुनिनिवहं हितानि शंसन्
सत्रस्थं मुनिनिवहं हितानि शंसन् सत्रस्थं मुनिनिवहं हितानि शंसन्
ऐक्षिष्ठाः सनकमुखान्
ऐक्षिष्ठाः सनकमुखान् ऐक्षिष्ठाः सनकमुखान्
मुनीन् पुरस्तात्
मुनीन् पुरस्तात् मुनीन् पुरस्तात्
ऐक्षिष्ठाः सनकमुखान् मुनीन् पुरस्तात्
ऐक्षिष्ठाः सनकमुखान् मुनीन् पुरस्तात् ऐक्षिष्ठाः सनकमुखान् मुनीन् पुरस्तात्
श्लोक
तद्दत्तं वरमुपलभ्य भक्तिमेकाम् गंगान्ते विहितपदः कदापि देव सत्रस्थं मुनिनिवहं हितानि शंसन् ऐक्षिष्ठाः सनकमुखान् मुनीन् पुरस्तात्
I taught the whole line, no? I forgot whether I taught the whole line or not.
पाठितं
Shloka number 10. Shloka. Okay. Shloka number 10. Oh, I thought, okay. I forgot to change it. Change the title to Shloka number 10. Spurti. Shloka number 10. Vijnanam.
विज्ञानं विज्ञानं
सनकमुख
सनकमुख सनकमुख
उदितं
उदितं उदितं
दधानः
दधानः दधानः
विज्ञानं okay, we'll go next. Sorry. No. स्वात्मानं
स्वात्मानं स्वात्मानं
स्वयमगमः
स्वयमगमः स्वयमगमः
वनान्तसेवी
वनान्तसेवी वनान्तसेवी
तत्तादृक्
तत्तादृक् तत्तादृक्
पृथुवपुः
पृथुवपुः पृथुवपुः
ईश
ईश ईश
सत्वरं मे
सत्वरं मे सत्वरं मे
रोगौघं
रोगौघं रोगौघं
प्रशमय
प्रशमय प्रशमय
वातगेह
वातगेह वातगेह
वासिन्
वासिन् वासिन्
विज्ञानं
विज्ञानं विज्ञानं
सनकमुखोदितं
सनकमुखोदितं सनकमुखोदितं
दधानः
दधानः दधानः
स्वात्मानं
स्वात्मानं स्वात्मानं
स्वयमगमः
स्वयमगमः स्वयमगमः
not vayam swayam
स्वयं okay I'll again say स्वयमगमः स्वयमगमः
वनान्तसेवी
वनान्तसेवी वनान्तसेवी
तत्तादृक्
तत्तादृक् तत्तादृक्
पृथुवपुरीश
पृथुवपुरीश पृथुवपुरीश
सत्वरं मे
सत्वरं मे सत्वरं मे
रोगौघं
रोगौघं रोगौघं
प्रशमय
प्रशमय प्रशमय
वातगेहवासिन्
वातगेहवासिन् वातगेहवासिन्
विज्ञानं सनकमुख
विज्ञानं सनकमुख विज्ञानं सनकमुख
उदितं दधानः
उदितं दधानः उदितं दधानः
विज्ञानं सनकमुखोदितं दधानः
विज्ञानं सनकमुखोदितं दधानः विज्ञानं सनकमुखोदितं दधानः
स्वात्मानं
स्वात्मानं स्वात्मानं
स्वयमगमो वनान्तसेवी
स्वयमगमो वनान्तसेवी स्वयमगमो वनान्तसेवी
स्वात्मानं स्वयमगमो वनान्तसेवी
स्वात्मानं स्वयमगमो वनान्तसेवी स्वात्मानं स्वयमगमो वनान्तसेवी
तत्तादृक् पृथु
तत्तादृक् पृथु तत्तादृक् पृथु
वपुरीश सत्वरं मे
वपुरीश सत्वरं मे वपुरीश सत्वरं मे
तत्तादृक् पृथु वपुरीश सत्वरं मे
तत्तादृक् पृथु वपुरीश सत्वरं मे तत्तादृक् पृथु वपुरीश सत्वरं मे
रोगौघं प्रशमय
रोगौघं प्रशमय रोगौघं प्रशमय
वातगेहवासिन्
वातगेहवासिन् वातगेहवासिन्
रोगौघं प्रशमय वातगेहवासिन्
रोगौघं प्रशमय वातगेहवासिन् रोगौघं प्रशमय वातगेहवासिन् विज्ञानं सनकमुखोदितं दधानः स्वात्मानं स्वयमगमो मदान्तसेवी तत्तादृक्पृथुवपुरीश सत्वरं मे रोगौघं प्रशमय वातगेहवासिन्
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
पृथुचरितन्नाम
पृथुचरितन्नाम
अष्टादशं दशकं समाप्तम्
अष्टादशं समाप्तम् इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये पृथुचरितन्नाम अष्टादशं समाप्तम् नारायणाखिल गुरो भगवन्नमस्ते.
Good. So one tip, so even memorization test, Narayanium test, many people are doing very well, and especially it was wonderful on the second day of this 11 to 15 test. That was on Tuesday. There were two participants. One was above 80, the other above 70. It was beautiful to listen to them telling. It was a divine experience. We have already seen Rangarajan Mama, who has been telling he's also 73. So it is wonderful to listen to such people. It is an ashirvada for me that such people are telling, and I will upload them. You can all listen to the memorization test of those wonderful recitations, and each of them has done very nicely. So some of them gave for 10 dashakams, one person gave even for 15 dashakams. Chitra, Sumant, they have completed all. So most of them, more than around 35 to 40 of them have now memorized all the 15 dashakams. At least I know that who have given. I hope more of you have tried to memorize and have memorized 15 dashakams. Nonetheless, one particular point which I found out even in the Vishnu Sahasranamam test, which Vyoma it was conducted by Vyoma, Rajesh sir taught it, and I was judged for that. The thing is, Mahapranas, most of you want to tell it, and you are making an effort to tell it, but it is always either exchanging places or it is not falling in the right place. So one of the tips to get the Mahaprana in the right place is, when you are reading it off the book, even though you might know the Devanagari script or any script that has Mahaprana, it is better that you underline the Mahapranas correctly. For example, here in the first line, Vijnanam Sanaka Mukhoditam Dadhanaha. See here, Da is Alpa Prana, Dha is Mahaprana. So both are coming adjacent to each other. They're very close to each other. But one has to be softly said, the other has to have an effort on it. It has to be Dadhanaha, but sometimes while reciting it becomes either Dadhanaha or Dadhanaha. Like both get Mahapranas, or the Mahapranas getting interchanged and so on. So the first thing you have to do is underline each of the Mahapranas, even though you might know that the Mahapranas are there. You might know which are the Mahapranas and so on, but it is good to underline them in the beginning. And also it is always good to have another person listening to you, because when you are saying, you won't know your own mistakes. That person might not be following the class, but as much as if they know the script, and if they should listen to the audio and listen whether you are saying exactly how I have taught it. So both should match equally. So even if you have somebody who might not know Sanskritam, let them listen to the audio and let them listen to you, and both should be said in the exact same manner. So when you are saying, you will think that you are saying exactly, but it might not be the case. So that is one way to improve. So that is why that Telegram group, some people are having smaller groups and then they're revising with each other. So that might help. So here, since we have hundreds of students, individual attention and improving that is not possible. So this Mahaprana, this is one way. As we go forward for many other tips you already know. So if at all I come up with anything more which can be improved in such manner, I will surely tell you. So now I will recite the whole of 18th Dashakam for the recording purpose, and then if there are some questions, we will take it. It is better you write the questions in the chat box, and if we have time, we will take direct questions. अथ अष्टादशं दशकम् जातस्य ध्रुवकुल एव तुङ्गकीर्तेः अङ्गस्य व्यजनिसुतः स वेदनामा यद्दोषव्यथितमतिः स राजवर्यः त्वत्पादे निहितमनावनङ्गतोऽभूत् पापोऽपि क्षितितलपालनाय वेनः पौराद्यैरुपनिहितः कठोरवीर्यः सर्वेभ्यो निजबलमेव सम्प्रशंसन् भूचक्रे तव यजनान्ययन्यरौत्सीत् सम्प्राप्ते हितकथनाय तापसौघे मत्तोऽन्यो भुवनपतिर्न कश्चनेति त्वन्निन्दावचनपरो मुनीश्वरैस्तैः शापाग्नौ शलभदशामनायिवेनः तन्नाशात् खलजनभीरुकैर्मुनीन्द्रैः तन्मात्रा चिरपरिरक्षिते तदङ्गे त्यक्ताघे परिमथिता दथोरुदण्डात् दोर्दण्डे परिमथिते त्वमाविरासीः विख्यातः पृथुरिति तापसोपदिष्टैः सूताद्यैः परिणुतभाविभूरिवीर्यः वेनार्त्या कबलितसम्पदं धरित्रीम् आक्रान्तान् निजधनुषा समामकार्षीः भूयस्तान् निजकुलमुख्यवत्सयुक्तैः देवाद्यैः समुचितचारुभाजनेषु अन्नादीन्यभिलषितानि यानि तानि स्वच्छन्दं सुरभितनूमदूदुहस्त्वम् आत्मानं यजति मखैस्त्वयि त्रिधामन् आरब्धे शततमवाजिमेधयागे स्पर्धालुः शतमख एत्यनीच वेषः हृत्वाश्वं तव तनयात् पराजितोऽभूत् देवेन्द्रं मुहुरिति वाजिनं हरन्तम् वह्नौ तं मुनिवरमण्डले जुहूषौ रुन्धाने कमलभवे क्रतोः समाप्तौ साक्षात् त्वं मधुरिपुमैक्षथा स्वयं स्वम् तद्दत्तं वरमुपलभ्य भक्तिमेकां गङ्गान्ते विहितपदः कदापि देव सत्रस्थं मुनिनिवहं हितानि शंसन् ऐक्षिष्ठाः सनकमुखान् मुनीन् पुरस्तात् विज्ञानं सनकमुखोदितं दधानः स्वात्मानं स्वयमगमो वनान्तसेवी तत्तादृक् पृथुवपुरीश सत्वरं मे रोगौघं प्रशमय वातगेहवासिन् इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये पृथुचरितन्नाम अष्टादशं दशकं समाप्तम् नारायणाखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. Okay, I will just see if there are any questions, and we will not have student recitation today. The Telegram group is open to all. Yes, the Telegram group, I have sent a mail, and regarding the mails, I think it is going to spam for many of you. That happens. Some of the mails from Vyoma come to your proper destination folders, the inbox and so on. Many people are saying it is going to spam. So please do check in the spam, and that to the mails I sent from the rama.vyoma@gmail.com. Many people are saying it is going to the spam folder. So whether it is regarding memorization test or any other announcement that I make, so that doesn't come from Vyoma ID. It comes from my email ID. So that is going to spam for many of you. So do check in spam every now and then, and you mark it as non-spam so that from next time it does come to your inbox itself. And I do not send mails frequently, so it comes very rarely. But whenever I send, it might be some important announcement. So yeah, Telegram group, that the link is there in one of the mails that I have sent previously. Shloka 8, Vanhau or Vahnau? And this is a question that is that many of you might or might not have also, because it has been explained in many places. This hakara, whenever it comes with na and ma, so actually in the written script, hakara is half and the na or ma is full. But in pronunciation, the na comes as half and ha comes as full. It is like vanhau. That is the Vedic and traditional pronunciation. That's how we all have learnt it. So we will keep on to that. Let us not have any confusion. It is vanhau, like V-A-N-H-A-U or H-O-W, whichever you're taking. Vanhau. That's how we are going to pronounce. According to Vyakarana, some people pronounce it as Vahnau, which is not wrong, but the traditional pronunciation stays as Vanhau. We will stick to that. Yeah, there was a time discrepancy. Okay, time discrepancy. I think the I don't know, maybe the GoToWebinar, that is an automatic mail that is still coming out. Maybe that is why the time discrepancy still exists. But we are IST, it is going to be at 8 p.m. You should probably calculate your own timings. With GMT plus 5:30 is the time. So GMT time, it is 3:30 p.m. Not 3:30, 2:30 p.m. GMT, the Central World Time. Yeah. Any other Shloka 18.8, first line is Harantu 18.8. Vajinam, Harantu is not great. Harantam is the best. Vajinam, Harantam, tam. So Harantam is the right patha. We cannot have Harantu there. Harantam is the right patha. Harantu is not right. We cannot even have a patha beda with Harantu. Okay, Dashakam 17 separate recording has not been yet uploaded. It will come out this week. It is there in the class itself. The separate Dashakam has not yet been uploaded. After uploading, it will happen. I hope there are no other questions. If at all any of you have any important questions, you can raise your hand. I've just put all the hands down. You can raise your hand to ask any important question. Deepavali Shubhashayaha Sarvebhyaha. It's great that you have attended the class on Deepavali with so many other commitments. I appreciate the dedication of so many of you attending on Deepavali. Just 3 people have some questions. We will listen to them. Jyoti Shanai. Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. Happy
Ram.
Diwali. Good morning, Guruji.
Good morning.
Good morning. The last Saturday, because of the time change, the learning of 1 to 4 slokas, which I had done, I had missed it. But I think it is not uploaded. I tried to check on Thursday. The 1 to 4.
Because some of you missed it, I uploaded that night itself. Last Saturday night itself, it has been uploaded.
Oh, so I did not get it then. I checked it.
I didn't even upload it on Sunday. That night itself, by 12 p.m.
Yeah, correct.
Midnight, I can upload
Correct.
it.
So how do I find out then? Because I checked on Thursday. Since Monday I've been checking. It was not there even
On
till
YouTube
Thursday.
on that playlist it is there, because even this evening I checked so that I forgot which shloka I had ended on. So I checked, it is there on YouTube on the same playlist.
Okay.
It is.
Okay, let me recheck again. Otherwise, I'll email you. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Happy Diwali.
Ram Ram. Panchanadam Swaminathan. Then Chitra Tyagarajan.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can. Namaste.
You said something about Samyuktakshara, given extra pause. Can you repeat it once more? For example, right on the screen, Kamala
Yes.
Bhave Kratoho, you put an extra, give an additional second for the Kratoho, right?
Correct. I will explain it once. I will just give a little clarification on that. So this Kamala Bhave is one word, Kratoho is the next word. This Kra is a Samyuktakshara. So when we are telling this together, we have to tell it as if there is an extra half Ka over here. as if there is one more. Krato. Kamala bhave kratoho. That should come. For example, even when you say, let us say one ho is there. That is a samyukta. Second letter is ha and not together. We don't say one ho. We don't say one ho. The second letter is now. Now, that's all. But we say one ho. We give an extra pause there. But that comes easily because it is one single word. So even Devendram, Ndram is the samyuktakshara. Dram. But we don't say Devendram. Dram. We don't say. It is Devendram. We have that one. It is a probably a 1 centisecond pause there, 0.1 second or some pause over there. But that comes automatically when it is in between the word. But when it is in between, the second word is starting with the samyuktakshara. Many of us, because we do not know that, there is a kind of pause comes up, which should not happen. That's all. See here, even sakshatvam is sakshatvam. Again, they've already put the double ta there. With ta, sometimes they put the double ta. Or else it's actually sakshatvam. So that it actually happens there. Even here, swayam swam. Okay, there also there is no other example on this particular slide. Yeah, I hope you got the point.
Samaptau.
Samaptau. Yeah, samaptau.
So,
the in some place it is not very evident, but that's how it happens.
Correct. Yes. Yeah, it does matter because, like you said, the Alpa Prana, Mahaprana, these things matters a lot. The way somebody says that, it really sounds very good. So the sukshma in the training. Yes.
The more important point there, what happens is, for example, if this Kamala Bhava, instead of Bhave, if it was Kamala Bhava, so then the Vakara would have become Hraswa. Ve became Dirgha. If Va was Hraswa, what would happen is it would not fit in the meter at all if we do not give this extra. But that is actually correct. Even if Kamala Bhava was there, it would fit to the meter. But if we do not pronounce it properly, it will feel like something is out of tune or something is out of meter.
Right.
So that is why that is more important. Especially where the previous letter is not Dirgha, there it is more important. I hope when some other example like that comes up, I will tell you. It has come up previously. I don't remember exactly where. But if that example comes up, I will point out there why it makes more importance there.
Right. You know, because I understand sometimes because of it requires some training, like the way you said Mahaprana pronunciation, especially when there are some words where they are, it's like almost like going over, rough terrain. So you have to take it. So is there some technique we can take a pass or something, because when there are 2 or 3 Mahapranas all following in between prana,
yes,
everybody has got some time. It's same like in opinion. I always compare to music because same thing. There are some sangatis that are very hard. You have to work on it. So
yes, absolutely. Actually, here I found the example right away. For example, here Makhai is Tvayi and Tridhaman. It is there. Tvayi, Tridhaman are 2 different words. So when you say Tridhaman, you would just say Tridhaman. 3 is Ta and Ra Samyuktakshara. And here Yi is Hraswa Akshara. So it is a short syllable. So if you say Makhai is Tvayi Tridhaman, it does not sound. Atmanam yajati makhais tvayi tridhaman. The raga does not sound good and it will not fit.
Correct.
Makhais tvayi tridhaman. So that you should assume that there is an extra takara there, like half ta, one more extra takara if you put here, then that is the sound that should come up. But it will not be written. In the written script, you should not write like that, but that is how it should be pronounced.
Plus, even though you know the rules, I think practice also is important. If you don't practice, you won't get that in the right place. You have to practice. Many times you have to keep on reading and practicing and doing this. Yes. Thank you. You have done very nice job. I really appreciate. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali. Ram Ram. Next, Chitra Tyagarajan. Then I'll call Bhushini PV.
Namaste, Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Namaste, Mahodaya. Yeah, this you explained about how to pronounce the Samyuktakshara just before. I just would like to ask you about Jihva Mulya and Upadbhaniya.
Okay.
Like Jihva Mulya, you have to have a ha sound, is it? Ha.
See, it is simple. To be very basic and simple about it, Jihva Muliya is where Visarga comes before Ka or Kha. You have to pronounce it like H, the letter H in English. Exactly like letter H. There is no difference to that. Upadhmaniya is when it comes before Pa or Pa, like in this shloka on the screen.
Okay.
That you have to pronounce it very similar to F, the letter F in English, but it is not exactly F. So for basic beginners, we'll keep it as F only. But you should, the teeth should not touch the lips. That is the more technical stance. But for beginners, for children, we should teach it as, pronounce it as F itself. Suta, Dyaif, Parinuta. That's how we teach. But the exact pronunciation to say so, it is Suta, Dyaif, Parinuta, Parinuta. You should just blow the wind out of the lips without the teeth touching the lips. Suta, Dyaif, Parinuta. That is the Upadhmaniya.
Okay. Okay, Mahodaya. Thank you so much. And one more information I want to tell you. You said check the spam for the mails which you don't see in inbox, but I think you should see in all mail also. I just checked my spam. I couldn't get some of the things. So it's better to check all mail. Definitely you get all the missing mails.
It's better to search on the top itself. Search with Vyoma or Rama.Vyoma, and then you will get it from all folders.
Yeah. First, you have to select all mail. Then you look for Vyoma, mails from Vyoma. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. And Shubharatri. Happy Diwali to you.
Happy Diwali. Bhushini PV. Then I'll call Chandrasekhara. N. Chandrasekhara. Bhushini PV. Bhushini PV or N. Chandrasekharan, you can talk. One of you, both of you are self-muted. Bhushini PV, N. Chandrasekharan. Sundaravalli Shankar. N. Chandrasekhar.
Chandrasekhar here. 18.8. Just now you said about is Vanhau Tam. Whereas in the English translation it says Vahnau Tam.
Exactly. So that is correct. That is how it is written. Even in Samskrita, that is how it is written. Both of them are correct. But the pronunciation is Vanhau.
Oh, okay.
That is what I'm saying. What is written in English is correct. What is written in Samskrita is correct. But the pronunciation is Vanhau.
Okay. Thank you.
Bhushini PV, you can unmute yourself, or Sundaravalli Shankar.
Ram Mahodaya, can you hear me?
Ram.
Happy Deepavali. Finally, I could attend this class because my Ramayanam class is not there. I raised my hand because the first person who asked the questions was saying she didn't get an email or whatever. I learned from the YouTube recordings, and you will not get notification. You just have to go into the playlist and look at the last item, and that is where the latest class will be there. So I just wanted to tell that person because I think she was searching for an email, and email will not be there. You just have to go to the YouTube and
some of them, if they have subscribed to the bell notification, then a notification from YouTube comes. That is the only thing that would probably come.
Right. So I just wanted to help her out. So that's why I raised Happy Diwali. Thank you. Also, thank you so much for teaching so beautifully.
Thank you. All the blessings of Guru Ayappan and elders. Thank you. Geeta Vinod.
Ram Mahodaya.
Ram.
Deepavali Shubhasyaha. Thank you so much for the tips on how to do the Mahaprana properly. Now, I just wanted to know one thing, like when it doesn't come naturally, It seems more like an effort when we consciously look at the Mahaprana and try to say it. While for some people, I find that it comes very naturally. Even for a child, the Bha, even without us teaching it, naturally comes. So how do we make it look natural without being an effort to show the Bha or the Dha?
For children, it will come if the parents have taught, because children, like they learn languages, if they've learned shlokas, then it will come naturally. For children, it is always easier. If we have been used without if the language that we use does not have importance for Mahaprana, then it is difficult. It is not very easy. But with practice only, it becomes natural. And more you listen, that naturally goes into your head, and that's how you will start pronouncing it. So it is more about listening. As you listen to people who are saying it in the perfect intonation and pronunciation, that's how you will start. It is almost like learning a language. So as you have to that same pronunciation, it will come. But first, you have to give that effort. Maybe you can take the Varnamala itself and then sit with ka, ka, ga, ga. Yeah.
Okay.
If you do,
Thank you for the tips.
The letters are next to each other. So you have to say ka, 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 you have to go. So that itself, if you say it, probably it will improve.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for the tips.
I think all others have asked their questions. There was one more question on this thing. I think stamp markings are given wrong. Somebody has said. Stamp marking. Okay, the stamp time stamps on the YouTube video might be wrong. It might take some time to update because another volunteer is updating the time stamps. So that might be wrong. If at all you want to right away rectify it, you can put in a comment. Even in the comments, if somebody puts in the right timestamps, then you can click it. It takes some time to update the timestamps in the YouTube video. Please bear with us. How to join the Telegram group? The Telegram group, there is a mail. I think it was sent out a month back or something. You can search for Telegram. It is there in the subject contained the word Telegram. All other words. Everything else has been answered. Thank you. Sarvebhyah Ram Ram Ram. Deepavali Mahotsavasya Shubhashayaha. Agrima Saptahe Drakshyamah. Ram.